Hello viewers, welcome back to my channel. In this video I am discussing quadratic equation tricks. This is the very useful video for those who are preparing for competitive exams and government exams, and this video is very useful for all type of exams, all type of mathematics exams. Okay, now we have to start our first question. X square plus x minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, we have to solve the quadratic equation. There are a lot of methods. Method 1 is by using the formula, and second method is by using the factorization method, and second the method third is by using the trick based method. Okay, now I am following trick based method. Okay, we have to solve this problem within seconds. Okay, suppose you have to carefully observe the method to solve this question. Okay, first step is step 1. Step 1 is what? We have to multiply x square and this and this. Okay, we have to multiply this and this. What we get? Minus 6x square. Okay, then second step is we have to split like this. Okay, here x square is there. We have to write down here one x and here another x. Okay, now we have to write down the factors of 6. Okay, what are the factors of 6? Tell me. Here 1 is divide 6. Yes or no? We take only positive factors here. Okay, 6 1 is divide 6, and 2 also divide 6 because 2 3 is 6, and 3 also divide 6, and 5 not divide 6, and 6 divide 6. Okay, these are the factors of 6. We know that. Okay, now we have to choose the any two factors. Okay, we here the power of this equation is what? 2. Okay, that means what? The factors of this equation is only 2. Okay, that's why we take any two factors in this factors. Okay, suppose I am taking here I am taking 2 and 3 as the factors of 6. If you add 2 and 3, we get middle one. We add and subtract these two values, that gives this value. Okay, now see this. Now we have to add 2 plus 3, we get 5. Okay, here 5 is not there, and if you add 2 and minus, we subtract with this I am taking a minus 2 minus sign for 2, and this is plus. Okay, minus 2 plus 3 we get 1. Okay, that means what? Minus 2x plus 3x we get x. Okay, that means what? Here factors of if you add this, if you add and subtract these two, we get middle one, and we have to multiply these two, we get minus 6. Okay, and we get x square. Okay, then next step is we have to, here minus 2 is there, we have to exchange the sign. Here minus is there, we take 2. Okay, here sign of 3 what? Plus. Okay, here we have to exchange the sign. Okay, here plus is there, we take minus 3. Okay, this is the step 2. Okay, then last step 3 is what? We have to divide these factors with the coefficient of x square. Here coefficient of x square is what? 1 only. Okay, then we have to divide 1 with 1. We get the factors of what? 2 and minus 3. These are the factors of this quadratic equation. Okay, this takes some time to, if you practice this this trick, we solve within seconds. Okay, suppose how to check these factors are correct or wrong. Okay, we have to substitute these factors in this equation. If LHS is equal to RHS, then these factors are correct. Okay, otherwise we go through we go through formula also. What are the formula of quadratic equation? Ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. This is the general quadratic equation. Okay, the formula for this what? X is equal to minus b plus or minus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a. This is the quadratic equation formula. We know that here a is what 1, b is what 1, c is what minus 6. Okay, we take here minus b was 1 plus or minus root of 1 square is 1 minus 4 into a value is 1, c value is minus 6 by 2 1. Okay, we solve this minus 1 plus or minus root of 1 minus minus plus 6 4s are 24 by 2 we get. Okay, we can solve this equation. Minus 1 plus or minus root 25 by 2 minus 1 plus or minus root 25 is value is what 5 by 2. Okay, we take minus 1 plus 5 by 2 and minus 1 minus 5 by 2. What we get here? Minus 1 plus 5 what? 4 by 2 is 2 only, and minus 1 minus 5 is minus 6 minus 6 by 2 what? Minus 3. We get the same answer. Yes or no? Okay, without using formula we solve this question within seconds. Okay, now I am solving one more question. Okay, observe carefully. 2x square minus 11x plus 14 is equal to 0. Okay, first step is what? We have to multiply this with this. Okay, we get what? 2x square into 14. What we get? 28x square. Okay, then next step is what? We can write down here 1x, here another x. Okay, what are the factors of 28? Okay, 1 divides 28 and 2 also divides 28, and 3 divides 28, no, 4 divides 28, and 5 not divides 28, 6 not divides 28, and 7 divides 28. Okay, now we have to choose any two factors, correct factors. Okay, how to choose any two factors? You have to observe that here minus 11x is given. Okay, suppose I am taking factors are minus 4 and 7. If you add these two, we get 11 is the answer. But we want minus 11, that's why we take the minus sign to these two factors. Okay, we get minus 4 and minus 7. Okay, if you add these minus 4x plus minus 7x, we get minus 11x. Okay, if you multiply minus 4x into minus 7x, we get 28x square. Okay, then next step is what? Here minus 4 and minus 7 is we get. Okay, now we have to exchange the sign. Here minus 4 is there, we take plus 4, and here minus 7 is there, we take plus 7. Okay, then last step is what? We have to divide with the coefficient of x square. We have to divide these factors with coefficient of x square. Here what is the coefficient of x square? 2. Okay, we divide with 2. This 2 we get 2 comma 7 by 2. These are the factors of this quadratic equation. If you cross check these factors, we have to substitute these factors in this equation. If LHS is equal to RHS, then that factors are correct. Okay, this is the simple trick to use. By using this simple trick, we have to solve any quadratic equation within seconds. I am solving one more question also. Suppose I am taking x square minus 7x minus 30 is equal to 0. Suppose this is the another quadratic equation. Okay, we solve this quadratic equation. Now first step is what? We have to multiply with x square and minus 30. We get minus 30 x square. Okay, then next step is what? Here x square is there, we take 1x here, another x here. Okay, what are the factors of 30? We write down the factors of 30. Okay, yes or no? 1 divides 30, and 2 also divides 30, and 3 divides 30, and 5 divides 30, 6 divides 30. And okay, now we have to choose any two factors. In among these factors, we choose any two factors. Here minus 7 is there. Okay, for minus 7 we take 2 and 5. If you add 2 plus 5, we get directly 7. Okay, that's why we take 2 plus 5. is the factors, 2 plus 5 is the factors. But suppose if you multiply 2 into 5, we get 10, but we want 30. Okay, that's why we choose another factor. Okay, what are the factor we choose? Here, yes, 10 is the another factor. We know that. Sorry, okay, here 10 also another factor. Okay, I'm not right here. Okay, write on 10 also another 10 also divides 30, we know that. Okay, yeah, if I am taking 2 plus 5 is equal to 7, we get middle value is 7. Okay, you will take minus 2 both side, we get minus 2 minus 5 is we get minus 7. Okay, but if you multiply this 2, we get 10. Okay, but we want minus 30, that's why we choose 10 and 3. 10 and 3 as the factors. Suppose we take 10 and 3 as the factors. Okay, we want minus 7, that's why we take for bigger value I am taking negative sign, minus 10 and 3. Minus 10x plus 3x we get minus 7x. If you multiply with you multiply this to minus 10x into 3x, we get minus 30x square. Okay, next step is we exchange the sign. Here minus is there, we take plus. Here plus is there, we take minus. Now another step is we have to divide with coefficient of x square. Here coefficient is 1. Okay, therefore the factors are 10 and minus 3. These are the factors for this quadratic equation. Sorry, 10 and minus 3 are the quadratic factors of this quadratic equation. Okay, this is the simple trick to solve the quadratic equation. In my upcoming video, I am giving a trick for cubic equation also. Okay, thanks for watching. If you like the video, please like and comment in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Thank you.